Welcome back, everyone. Today we are taking a massive deep dive into a topic that is literally the make or break foundation for your Cambridge computer science success. We are talking about the marathon runner's approach to exam strategy. Specifically, we're mastering when to use procedures and algorithm construction for the 9618 syllabus. But listen, if you're taking 0417, 0478, 0983, 0984, or 2210, this energy management and structural strategy applies directly to you too. Sitting down for these exams is not a sprint, it is an absolute marathon. You have to pace yourself. To show you what I mean, I want you to picture an actual past paper question sitting right in front of you. The timer starts ticking. The tension-building music in your head kicks in. Now imagine two different students taking this exam. Let's call them Alex and Sam. Alex is our raw data student. Alex overloads the page with every single computer science fact they have ever memorized, sweating through the paper but providing zero actual analysis. Then you have Sam. Sam is rushing against the clock, absolutely sprinting, and completely misses the specific requirements of the command words in the prompt. We are going to look at why both of these approaches completely drain your exam energy and leave points on the table, and we'll show you exactly how the top-tier candidates pace themselves to win.
So let's look at a side-by-side of Alex and Sam's flawed answers. If you could see them, they'd be covered in red pen marks. Why? This brings us to our massive central question for today. Why do students consistently lose easy marks on algorithm construction? Year after year, candidates who literally know their textbook theory inside and out end up leaving incredibly valuable points behind. It's because they don't understand what the examiner is actually hunting for. Today's explainer is your exclusive look under the hood. We are going straight into the examiner's mind to reverse engineer their grading rubric. We're going to transform those red marks into green check marks. All right, let's quickly map out our marathon route for today so you know exactly how to pace your attention. First, we'll decode the core cognitive domains. Second, we're building the procedural framework. Third, we'll dive into critical analysis and trade-offs. And finally, we are uncovering the top examiner warnings so you don't fall into the same traps as thousands of other students.
Okay, let's jump straight into Section 1, Core Cognitive Domains. This is where we decode exactly what the exam is trying to pull out of your brain.
The assessment objectives you are graded against target three very distinct cognitive domains. First up is knowledge and understanding. Do you actually know what a procedure is? Can you define it? This is where Alex usually stops. Alex writes down the definition and thinks the job is done. But the exam demands more. Second is application. Can you take that knowledge and actually use a procedure within the specific problem they gave you? And third, the highest tier, is analysis. Can you break down a really complex, messy system and determine exactly where a procedure is going to be the most beneficial? To hit all three of these domains, top students use a structural approach, often called the PEEL framework: point, evidence, explanation, link. You make your point, provide the coding evidence, explain how the procedure works, and critically, you link it back to the specific exam scenario. This is how you prove analysis. If you can demonstrate all three of these domains, you are well on your way to the top grade boundaries.
Moving right along, let's